In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a 1099 essay on FreeTaxUSA. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go into deductions or credits, and up top here you can see it says 1099 essay. So, of course, if this is grayed out for you and you can't click on it, it's because you first have to go through the personal tab and the income tab, and whenever you finish those two, you'll get the access to deductions or credits. Now, you'll have to finish everything up here until you actually come to 1099 essay. So, when you're here, just basically click on it, and you can see here it's going to ask you a bunch of different questions. You could go ahead and just basically do yes or no. If, of course, whatever's relevant and whatever's, of course, occurring in your case, then just click on save and continue. You'll be able to fill everything out and you'll be good to go, okay? So if you go to the previous page over here, for example, you'll be able to see your Form 1099 essay, and you can go ahead and, of course, add this one over here or edit and edit in case you basically have done this already. So that's how to edit. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.